Alright, hey, I'm Tim Freasier and we're here at Houghton Skate Park and this is my newest setup. Alright, I have black Colt Vans grips with busted bar ends, fit Mac bars, Demolition Keystone V1 stem. My headset cap is red Primo, but the headset is Colt. My frame I just got today, it's a fit Wi-Fi 21.25 inch top tube with the Fit Blade V2 forks. I have two Primo plastic pegs in the front. My front wheel is a Primo N4FL V1 laced to a Primo 7 Series rim. And then my tire is a Demolition Machete 2.35. The cranks are Demolition Revolts. I have Odyssey twisted PC pedals. And the bottom bracket's Demolition. The sprocket's a Demolition. Sprocket is a Demolition Merit 25 tooth. And I have a Shadow chain, half-link chain. My seat is a Fit bar stool, I think. And a Demolition, or Fit Animal something seat post. Painted it black, I don't know what it is. Alright, my back wheel is a Demolition Rogue set hub laced to a Demolition Zero rim. And the back tire is also a Demolition Machete, but it's a 2.25. And I have a Primo hub guard, busted, like super busted. Oh shit. And my peg is a Demolition Dump Truck V1. Good.